If you're experiencing billing issues on Epic Games, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems and get your account back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your Epic Games account is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card or account details are correct and up to date. Step 2. Review transaction history. Log into your Epic Games account and check your transaction history. Look for any unauthorized charges or discrepancies that could indicate a billing issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find any issues or if your payment method is correct but still not working, reach out to Epic Games customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for quicker assistance. Step 4. Check for service outages. Visit the Epic Games status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance that could be affecting billing. If there are issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Update account security. After resolving your billing issue, consider updating your account security. Change your password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from future problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues on Epic Games. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.